Before you even buy a sewing machine, have a good old think as to why do you want a sewing machine and what are you going to use it for. If it's only basically a few alterations, taking up, letting down, a little bit of mending, maybe you've caught your heel in your hem or you've got a hole in your pocket, then don't waste your money on a really feature-packed machine with lots and lots of stitches and accessories that you're never even going to use. Go for something electronic and go for something quite basic. However, if your sewing is going to go on a journey and maybe you're going to have a think about dressmaking, patchwork, quilting, home decor, furnishings, then you can really get excited about computerized sewing machines with lots and lots of accessories. Some machines will have an extension table, so you can do free motion embroidery and somewhere to lay out larger items like curtains and drapes. Some machines, you don't even need to use the foot pedal, so if you're in a wheelchair or your legs don't work very well or you're not very well coordinated, you may find it easier to start and stop your machine simply by pressing a button and adjusting the speed control than working with that foot pedal. So you've got a lot to think about before you even buy your machine. One of the main things, apart from the cost of course, is going to be the brand of machine that you buy. We only deal with big brand sewing machines, so the big brands tend to come with all of the guarantees and the support and the help and advice that you could possibly need. So have a look around the site at your leisure and take time to have a think about what you actually want from your sewing machine before you commit to buy.